How do we get an egg to peel that easy? Well, I'm going to show you how. Okay, how do we make a very easy to peel egg? Okay. First off, you have to have an old large stove. No, I'm joking. I got powdered water. I got hot water out of the faucet, and I'm boiling it. Okay. You notice there's no eggs around here? There will be. The eggs are still in the refrigerator. That's where you want to stay. That's where you want to keep them. There is. So all you're going to need is a set of tongs to put the eggs in without dropping them. Okay, there's nothing in this water. Okay. It is no salt, no baking soda, no vinegar, just plain water. Okay. If you want to add salt and vinegar and baking soda, go ahead. Not going to help the eggs peel any better, but if it makes you feel good. Some people swear by those items. I just use regular water. Okay. Tap water, and it's getting ready to boil. Okay. I cover it because it makes it quicker, makes it go faster. Okay. Starting to get warm. Alright. It's going to make it go faster. Alright. And it's starting to boil. Alright. Now we're going to go over to the refrigerator. Okay. We're going to get some eggs. Okay, as you can see, the eggs are really boiling good. Alright. Not the eggs, the water. Bear with me. Alright, now we're going to put our eggs in. Alright. I'm doing this with one hand. Okay, so you put your eggs into the boiling water. Okay, however many you want to do. I'm going to do 8. There's 3. A lot easier if I had 2 hands. Let me shut the camera down before I crack all my eggs. Okay, now, all right. I put 8 eggs in, and I cracked a couple of them because I was trying to put them with the tongs, as you saw. Okay. As soon as I get the eggs in, I immediately cover it, and I come over to my timer. Okay, I'm going to set my timer on 15 minutes. Okay. Alright, got my timer set 15 minutes. Okay. Fire's still on. And it's on wide open. Now what I'm going to do is, of course, as it starts to boil, I'm just going to lower my fire. Okay. And we're going to go 15 minutes. Alright. 15 minutes from when we put the eggs in, not when it starts to boil again. Okay? Alright, we're going to let it go 15 minutes. We'll come back and we'll show you how we're going to peel them real easy. Okay, I lowered the fire, and our 15 minutes is almost up. Got about another 5 minutes. Okay, you see foaming there because I cracked a couple of eggs, as you saw, trying to put them in with the tongs. Do as I say, don't do as I do. Okay. Use 2 hands. Okay, now we've got us a little bowl. Okay. And we're gonna come over here. And we're gonna come over here to refrigerator. And we're gonna put some ice in our bowl. It don't crush. Alright. I know we don't put crust on it. I like to use a lot of ice. Like I said, I use a lot of ice. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my water on cold. Okay. Then I'm going to put water. Now there's plenty enough room in there for 8 eggs. Looks like I got it full of ice, but it's going to work. Okay, then what we do, go ahead and fill with the water. That'll be good. Alright. Now I'm going to let our eggs finish boiling. They're almost done. Okay. Our timer's just about ready to go off. You see the eggs are still boiling. I lowered the fire quite a bit. Okay. Water gets 212 whether it's boiling fast or slow. And I don't want it to boil over, especially because I broke a couple of the eggs. Okay. Now we're looking at a minute. Looks like about a minute left. On the top, half a minute. There she goes. Okay, what we do is we just simply shut off the gas, turn off the gas, remove. Let me kick on my vent fan. Keeps the moisture out of the kitchen. Okay. Remove your lid, and then you just get your eggs, submerge them in the ice water. Okay. So we got a couple of eggs that broke. Well, I'm not gonna put them in there. I could, but they're gonna peel real easy anyway. Okay. Now we're just gonna let this sit. All right, we're gonna come back and peel. I normally just let the ice melt down a little bit. You can go an hour if you want. I have done it where there's no ice left. Okay, and I have done it in a hurry. 5 minutes. Okay, we're gonna let the ice melt down a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and peel them. Okay, but they've been sitting in the cold water for a little while. As you can see, most of the ice cubes are melted. They're starting to melt. You let it go a little bit longer. Probably been, I'll say 15 minutes. Probably 15, 20 minutes. Anyway, see how they're going to peel. Alright. As you can see, see how good they peel. Okay. This one's already cracked open some. That one was already cracked. Get a big one. I just break the shell all the way around, and it just peels. So that is the easy way to peel eggs. The easiest way that I have found. Okay. The shell just about crawls off the egg. So that's how you do an easy peel egg. How we do it here. The easy way to peel eggs.